Welcome back to the channel. I am really glad you're here. If you own a tractor with PTO driven implements, today I'm going to show you a little trick with this black bungee cord that's going to make your life a whole lot easier.
Welcome to my credit garage. You know I'm really glad you're here. Yeah!
One of the challenges with PTO driven equipment is, what do you do with this PTO shaft when you take the implement off the tractor? If you let it drop, it tends to want to just fall into the dirt. The end of the PTO shaft turns down and sits right in the dirt, and certainly you don't want that to happen. One thing I've done in the past is take a block of wood like this and rest it under the shaft, and that keeps it up off the ground, and that works pretty well. Some manufacturers, like this Land Pride finish mower, they built in a plastic hook as part of the finish mower, and you can hang the shaft right off of that hook. And that works pretty well to keep it off the ground, but that poses some challenges when hooking it up. I'll show you why. So as you can see here, this hook keeps the PTO shaft up off the ground, which is a tremendous benefit. But the hook is mounted on the side of the mower, and when you let it hang there, it pulls this PTO shaft off to the side. And here's where the problem is. When I'm backing up my tractor to hook up the implement, this PTO is right in the way of the 3-point hitch. Now you can see here how the factory hanger puts the PTO shaft right in line with my left 3-point hitch, and it's just in the way. So here's what I've started doing instead. I have a number of these black rubber bungees. They come in lots of different lengths. They're not as stretchy as the ones that are coated with the material. The typical bungee cords that you see. The black ones are a lot more hardy. I like them for that reason. And what I've been doing now is just hooking the black bungee to the center of the 3-point hitch where the top link goes. I wrap it around, and I just let the PTO shaft hang perfectly centered and also level. That's where the different lengths come in handy. This one is like a 22-inch bungee strap, bungee cord, and makes the shaft hang there just perfectly. When you back up the tractor, everything kind of lines up. So I'm going to disconnect that and just use the bungee idea, or the bungee trick instead. And now it's lined up almost perfectly with the PTO, and I can back straight in and hook everything up very easily. Unfortunately, this part is still a pain, but it holds it there for you, which is nice. Come on. I don't know if I like these spring clip type as much as just the simple pin, but there it is. It's on. Then I just remove the bungee. And hook up the top link. Just like that. Here's another great example with my wood chipper. Now this is an extremely short drive shaft. I have the same issue with my rototiller. And if you didn't have the strap hooked on here and you let the shaft just hang there, it falls apart, comes right apart. Now, you can store this part separately, which I've done in the past, but I like to just keep it all together. So, let me put that back together. And I just take the bungee and I hang it there. Now, what I've done with this one, instead of wrapping it around, because this bungee cord is very short compared to the other one. This one's only like maybe like a 12-inch or so. But you'll notice on these protective sleeves, there's a hole where you would hook a chain, and that keeps it from spinning around. So if you have the chain, or even if you don't have the chain but you have the hole, you can hook the bungee cord right through that hole and you can let the shaft hang there. Now this one's not hanging level like the other one was, but it's okay. It hangs out of the way, and it just has been a true lifesaver and has made hooking this unit up so much easier. Now for this one, I just hook the bungee into the hole of the safety sleeve, pull it up, and hook it onto the pin where the top link goes, and now it's stored until next time. Well, there's your simple tip for the day. Nothing earth-shattering, but definitely can make your life a lot easier. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate when you subscribe, when you comment, when you like the video, and I look forward to seeing you next time.